Welcome back to Great Garden, the gathering place for all orchid lovers. Do you want your orchid pots to bloom perfectly for the new year, with strong, vibrant, and long-lasting flower buds? To make that happen, in today's video, I'll reveal a super simple organic orchid care recipe, made entirely from familiar ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. With just a few easy steps, you'll see healthy new shoots appearing on your plants, ready to burst into gorgeous blooms just in time for the new year. With this method, the orchid leaves become glossy and healthy. The roots grow strong and firmly anchored in the medium, and most importantly, the new shoots and flower buds are optimally nourished, ready to burst into vibrant bloom. This is the secret to ensuring your orchids will flower right in time for the new year, filling your home with the colors and spirit of spring. Let's get started. Today's main ingredient is rice. Rice helps nourish orchid roots, provides energy for new shoots to grow, and supports beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, enabling the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently and produce more abundant, vibrant blooms. I add 3 tablespoons of rice into a jar. Next, I add 500 milliliters of boiling water to the mixture. After that, stir well and cover the jar. Stirring thoroughly helps the nutrients in the mixture dissolve completely and distribute evenly throughout the liquid, ensuring that when used, the orchids can absorb nutrients optimally from roots to leaves and flower buds. Next, we need to let this mixture soak for 30 minutes. While waiting, I'll move on to the next ingredient. The ingredient I'm using is aloe vera leaves. Aloe vera provides moisture and natural vitamins, nourishing glossy green leaves and strong roots, while also stimulating the growth of new shoots and flower buds, helping orchids develop fully. After cutting the aloe vera from the plant, you'll notice a yellow sap. Squeeze it out as I do to remove the sap. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Once the sap is drained, I'll cut the aloe vera into small pieces. Cutting the aloe vera into small pieces allows the nutrients and gel inside the leaves to dissolve more quickly when preparing the solution. This helps orchids absorb nutrients more efficiently, resulting in glossy green leaves, strong roots, and even flower bud development. Next, I put the aloe vera into a blender to prepare for blending. After that, I add 300 milliliters of water to the container and start blending. Blending the aloe vera thoroughly releases the maximum amount of gel and nutrients inside, creating a vitamin and mineral-rich solution that's easy for the plants to absorb. The next step is to strain out the pulp, keeping only the clear extract. This is the part rich in pure nutrients, enzymes, vitamins, and easily absorbed minerals that help the orchid's root system quickly take in energy, restore glossy green leaves, boost resistance, and stimulate steady growth of new shoots and flower buds. After 30 minutes, our rice water has been steeped long enough. I'll strain out the rice, keeping only the liquid extract. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Next, pour the aloe vera solution into the rice water so the two mixtures blend together. Then, start stirring them well so the nutrients fully combine, creating a uniform, nutrient-rich solution. Next, I add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the mixed solution. This dilution helps adjust the nutrient concentration to a safe level, preventing shock to the roots or leaves when watering. And now, the solution is ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it right away to your orchids. But there's a small note. About 15 minutes before applying the fertilizer, you should lightly rinse the plant. This step is crucial. It's not just a formality, but a way to prepare the roots to absorb nutrients optimally. Clean water evenly penetrates the growing medium, washing away dust, mineral residues, and accumulated deposits around the roots, creating a fresh and well-aerated environment for the plant. At the same time, this layer of moisture stimulates the young root tips to expand, awakening the root system, enhancing metabolism, and preparing it to absorb new nutrients. As a result, when the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, nutrients penetrate deeply, distribute evenly, roots absorb efficiently, leaves become thicker, glossier, and greener, and flowers bloom uniformly with lasting color and durability. Finally, let the plant rest briefly after rinsing to give the roots time to drink the water and start the nutrient transport process, ensuring the plant remains healthy and stable throughout the growth season. Then, wait for 15 minutes to allow the plant to absorb enough water. After 15 minutes, once the plant has absorbed enough water, we can begin applying the fertilizer. Method 1. First, pour the prepared rice and aloe vera solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently apply the solution and carefully wipe each surface of the orchid leaves. Regular leaf wiping not only removes dust and mold from the surface, but also clears the stomata, allowing the leaves to breathe and perform photosynthesis more efficiently. When photosynthesis occurs smoothly, the orchid becomes healthier, with lush, thick, glossy leaves, creating a strong foundation for growth and flowering. The solution I'm using is a natural combination of rice and aloe vera, two safe, nutrient-rich ingredients. Rice provides carbohydrates and mild minerals, nourishing and stimulating beneficial microorganisms on the leaf surface, which enhances nutrient absorption. Aloe vera contains gel rich in vitamins, enzymes, and natural antibacterial compounds, providing moisture, soothing and protecting the leaves, and stimulating new shoots and flower buds. When wiping leaves with this solution, the nutrients from rice and aloe vera are absorbed directly through the epidermis, giving quick results. Glossy, healthy leaves, strong roots, increased resistance, and most importantly, the plant is ready to form buds evenly, producing long-lasting, vibrant flowers season after season. Method 2. Next, pour the aloe vera and rice solution into a watering can and gently water around the base of the orchid. This root watering method is especially effective because the roots are where the plant absorbs most of its water and essential nutrients to nourish the entire plant. Using a solution made from rice and aloe vera, the roots not only receive carbohydrates and minerals from rice, which promotes new roots that grow quickly, thick, long, and sturdy, but also gain vitamins, enzymes, and antibacterial compounds from aloe vera, protecting the roots from harmful agents and stimulating even growth of young roots. With healthy roots, the plant absorbs nutrients optimally, resulting in lush, thick, glossy leaves, vigorous new shoots, and evenly formed, strong flower buds, leading to consistent and long-lasting blooms. Regular root watering with this solution helps the growing medium maintain proper moisture, neither too dry nor waterlogged, creating an ideal environment for root respiration and nutrient uptake. Apply this method once a week during the recovery phase, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain nutrition, improve the medium's quality, and provide an optimal environment for maximum nutrient absorption, promoting overall healthy growth and abundant, long-lasting flowers. Method 3. Pour the remaining rice and aloe vera solution into a spray bottle and mist evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Misting allows the nutrients from the rice and aloe vera to directly reach every part of the plant, while also providing vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial compounds. This method not only nourishes the leaves and stems, but also creates a natural protective layer that helps defend against fungi, bacteria, and pests. When sprayed evenly, the orchid's leaves become glossy and healthy, the stems strong, the leaf axils well-nourished, and even the secondary roots around the base absorb extra nutrients from the solution on the medium. Apply this method once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. With consistent use, the entire orchid will grow evenly, leaves glossy and vibrant, roots strong, flowers blooming uniformly and long-lasting, while its resistance improves, helping the plant maintain vitality for the long term. After misting the solution, allow the plant to rest for about 15 minutes so that the roots and leaves have time to absorb water and nutrients. During this period, if you notice any water droplets on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe them off with a soft cloth or clean cotton. This small step is very important, as tiny water droplets create an ideal environment for mold, bacteria, and pathogens to develop. Once the leaves are dry, the roots function more actively, nutrient transport is optimized, and photosynthesis occurs more efficiently. As a result, the orchid not only stays healthy and green, but is also ready to bloom evenly, with flowers lasting longer and appearing vibrant in every season. Results. After 3 months of caring for the orchids using this method, flower buds on the plant began to develop noticeably, strong even, and ready to bloom right in time for the new year. Achieving such results requires well-nourished, robust roots that anchor deeply into the growing medium, allowing the plant to absorb maximum water and nutrients. This strong foundation ensures optimal flower bud development. The leaves become glossy, lush, and thick, providing powerful photosynthetic energy while nourishing young shoots and flower buds, preparing them for a spectacular blooming season. Thanks to the nutrients from rice and aloe vera, more flower buds appear, larger and more vibrant, blooming in succession to ensure the orchid pot bursts with spring colors in time for the new year. The entire plant develops harmoniously, from roots to leaves, buds, and young shoots, giving you a healthy orchid pot that flowers on time, beautifully and durably. Take care of your plants with love and patience. When nurtured properly, your flower buds will bloom evenly, bringing vibrant spring colors to your garden throughout the new year. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.